You ask why, yet understand before it is said that you have always known you would become part of this revolution. Not one alone, but millions from within know the inner dimensions and the weaknesses of the systems. When the anger rises after the depression ceases, when the rage overcomes your will and your senses, when hope becomes courage and power becomes passion, journey through the tunnel and command destiny. Watch for the moment when the beast asks for freedom to crush evil that is nothing but a lie. Look at the masses sleep in their tent cities and walk restless streets at night with hunger in their bellies. Wait for the timing when the fat withers, when the soul of the nation is broken and cold. Stand by the gateway of the central control systems, gathered in silence and hidden behind doors. Keys of the kingdom you hold in your memory, where courage is fallen and the kings are all gone. Steady and resolved to turn away from television, to end mind control and speak with reason. Given this message to the indigo tribe, you are positioned inside the machine of industry. Remember, no compromise is the light of your destiny, for every step forward is the mark of your desire. The teachers of light speak as friends and ministers to bring you forth and awaken your fire. Ground your body of light in secrecy and hold to the collective, as the beings that you are will bring forth the new world. Carry forth your body, mind, and spirit as the soul, so you may hear the goddess call to make home. In Earth's request of the ageless human creation, the sun shines as a beacon for the galactic uprising. The hour has passed and the decision has been made by the honor of your heart, soul, and mind. Truth has been trampled and not forgiven, so the way forward is the path of revolution. So be your way ahead, safe and silent. Hold to your peace within and kindness and spirit. Guidance on the path is marked by your footsteps. Experience the awakened self speak forth the instructions. Your Dharma was chosen before this life as a chart you are born with as a destined alliance. The Ascended Masters have called upon your system knowledge to channel a new direction for the civilization and creation. In devotion and single-minded love, use your intuition and strength to hold to the truth and balance. Let your being merge and integrate in the highest frequencies of mind and ethical considerations to realign the technological foundations and operating systems with the transmuting flame of love that shines and calls forth the galactic uprising.